Fala galera, welcome to episode number 4 of the Strategy AI series. This is the one where I'm going to discuss auto narratives. Well, first of all, what is auto narratives? Basically is that feature in strategy that helps generate better data interpretation. It's this AI generated summary of an entire page in a dashboard. The use case here is something like this. Let's say you have a page that shows retail analysis data. In that page, you have 4 or 5 different visualizations. And now what you want to do is you want to easily interpret the data out of these 4 or 5 visualizations in that page. This is what auto narrative helps you achieve. Let's see how it works in the following video. Alright, so let's see how we can use auto narratives. For the sake of consistency, I'll be using the same retail dashboard that I used in episodes number 2 and 3. To leverage auto narratives, we should first go to edit mode on the top right corner. And right in here, we have this button called visualization. We click in there. So here's where we can add different visualizations to the dashboard canvas. But, well, I want auto narrative 1, the first one. So I click here in the first one called Insight. And this is the one we'll be using. The first in the list, auto narratives. We click in there. As you will see, a new visualization will be added to your dashboard page. But this is the main part. Under instructions, under the editor, you are basically being given instructions on how to create or how to summarize the data. So in my case, what I want is give me a summary of all the key metrics and trends on this page. After this, I click Generate. It starts generating that beautiful summary I need. So basically, it will read from all these visualizations and try to get the metrics and key trends. It is already doing it. Pretty fast, right? It's available. Well, not probably in the exact place that I want, so let's move this visualization from the bottom of the page to the leftmost corner of the page. Not here. You keep scrolling to the left, and now you see this vertical blue line. All you have to do is drop it. And there we go. We have here that brand new visualization that we can definitely adjust the size, the width, all that stuff. And here I have the result. So basically shows a summary of all key metrics and trends in this page. It starts with revenue and sales KPIs, so growth, gross revenue, net revenue, quantity sold. These are coming from visualization number 1. Visualization number 1 is this one here. Total unique customers, 200, coming from visualization number 2. You see this little blue icon here, 2. It means the second visualization. And then all the other trends that we can see in the data coming from their respective visualization. If you keep scrolling down, the nice thing about it is that you can see here key trends. It shows you revenue growth. It shows category insights, geographical performance. And later, if you want, you can refresh this. Let's say the data has been refreshed. You can definitely refresh the data. Of course, you can copy this whole thing. Look at this option right here. Yeah, you can just go ahead and copy it and then later post this into, I don't know, maybe a PowerPoint deck or something. And finally, you're ready to save your dashboard by clicking the Save button. Let me do a save and view. This time, it's being saved. And there you go, right? Pretty nice dashboard with all the visualizations created via Auto Dashboard in episode number 2. Then if you want later to leverage auto answers, as we saw in episode number 3, all you have to do is click here. And finally, auto narratives are giving me a nice summary of all visualizations in that page. If later I navigate to my table of contents and change to a different page, like the dashboard page here, well, in here you don't see auto narratives. You need to go again to edit mode, add a new auto narrative there, and it will summarize the whole page, not only the page, but also specific visualizations that you can tag. I'm going back to revenue analysis, and that's the end of this demo. Hope you guys found auto narratives useful. All right, so that was it for episode number 4, auto narratives. As you just saw, pretty easy way to interpret the data contained in one page of your dashboard. So I strongly invite you guys to continue to use features like this, AI generated, and of course to provide your feedback. Again, thanks for watching, and as I normally say, I'll see you at the next corner.